Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact cell where the picture must live and note its height and width so the image fits. Once done, choose Insert Pictures and pick your file, place it roughly over the cell. You do this first because precise resizing and property changes come next. If you resize later, you keep aspect ratio and alignment. Make sure to leave the image selected so the following adjustments apply to the correct object. Now you refine size and alignment. Open Format Picture and enter the cell's height and width values so the image fills the cell exactly. Once you set dimensions, lock aspect ratio if you want to avoid distortion, otherwise adjust carefully. Next, use Alt-Drag or arrow keys to nudge the image into perfect alignment. This prevents snapping that interferes with placement. Also check the image's cropping if edges extend. Finish by embedding the picture to the cell. Right-click, choose Size and Properties, and pick Move and Size with cells so the picture stays linked to that cell. Once done, test by changing row height or column width to confirm it scales and moves correctly. If you plan to export or filter, make sure the object remains visible in different views. If something goes wrong, reset the image crop and reapply cell dimensions to restore correct placement quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.